Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I am sitting in a 2012 Town and Country minivan and I will show you which fuse to check in case your keyless entry or key fob is not working. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Before looking into this fuse, make sure to replace the battery in your key fob because that is the most common issue why the key fob is not working and why your keyless entry is not working. If your battery is new and your buttons still don't work, I will show you the fuse which is responsible for the keyless entry on these minivans. The keyless entry fuse is located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now to lift this cover, you will have two black tabs on the right side. One is here, other one is here. So you want to press them to unlock it and then leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Keyless entry fuse is located right here. It's fuse number M27 and it's a 10 amp red fuse. So this is the fuse you want to check. If it's burnt, replace it and that will most likely fix your keyless entry. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.